Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambi. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a dish called Dali Bathwn. It's a Bodo dish. It is basically a chutney made out of raw masoor dal and it's absolutely delicious. This recipe was given to me by one of my long-time subscriber. Tada! Thank you so much Dhanalal for giving me this recipe. It was absolutely delightful. Taste is associated with memory, and sometimes when you try certain dishes it triggers memories, and this dish did exactly that. So every time I travel back to my village Ramsa, there is this small town that we stop every single time to have lunch and fill our tummies before we trek up the mountains. And this is a small restaurant called Machaleka in a small town called Boko, and they serve amazing dishes, and with these amazing dishes they serve an array of chutney, and one of the chutney is exactly what I just made today. So I just want to thank you Dhanalal for giving me this recipe. I think I just hit the jackpot. Okay, so let's not delay further and get on with the recipe. The ingredients required to make this dish are 1/4 of a cup of masoor dal that you need to soak in water overnight, 4 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, coriander, spring onions and salt. One of the key dishes, that is the spring onions, is missing in the dish because it was not available in the market, and I searched on my part of Chennai everywhere in the vegetable market today, but it was not available, so I made do without it, and I'm sure it will do much better with it. Let's dry roast the dry red chilies. Roughly chop the coriander. Then add in all of the ingredients into the mixer grinder. Don't forget the mustard oil, and then blend it to a fine paste. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and make yourself a Dali Bathwn at home. And if you guys have any interesting recipes, please feel free to send it to eatyourkappa@gmail.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share, especially you newbies who are visiting my channel for the first time. I make videos on northeastern food culture and everything nice. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time.